And what you do is you go underneath your WordPress users, and in this case, I'm just going to click on this existing user admin. And when you scroll toward the bottom of the page, this is going to be where all your two-factor authentication settings are going to be. So underneath here, you can see the 2FA configuration. This is as if you didn't go through the wizard. So this is how you can go ahead and configure it. You go ahead and just click configure 2FA. And let's go ahead and in this case, let's just choose one-time code via 2FA app. And again, I'm going to be using the Google Authenticator app. So let's go ahead and hit continue. And as you can see here on the right of the screen, this is my cell phone. So I'm going to show you the process. So this is the Google Authenticator app freshly installed. So you're going to go ahead after you install it and click this button, add a code. And then as soon as you do that, you need to scan this QR code. So right here where it says scan a QR code, I'm going to go ahead and click that. And as you can see, once you hover over this QR code, it's going to automatically give you this number. So now this is going to be the number that you're going to use to log in and out of the website. So first you need to configure it. So go ahead and hit continue. And the number on the screen is 802-535. You just hit validate and save. And that's it. Now you've officially configured your Google Authenticator. So I'm going to set up the backup codes later. So now let me actually log out of the website and make sure that everything's working correctly. So I'm just going to log in like I normally would, admin, my password. I'm going to hit login, and then this is what it's going to look like when you log in with your Google Authenticator. So you just go ahead. So in this case, the code's just 028590. And once you do that, that's it. And you've officially logged into the website. So now the user is going to just use their Google Authenticator app every time they want to log in.